Hello everyone, my name is Kamilla. Today I will show you how to make characters from the game Little Nightmares. Perhaps I'll start with the teacher. The teacher is an antagonist in the upcoming sequel Little Nightmares 2 encountered in the school. The teacher is a slim woman who dresses similar to school teachers from the 1910s, with a gray skirt, a beige buttoned-up shirt, white socks, and black Mary Janes. Her head is large relative to her body and heavily wrinkled. Her eyes are moderately baggy, and her short curly hair appears to be graying. The hunter is the first antagonist from the upcoming sequel Little Nightmares 2. The hunter seems to work alone, stalking the wilderness with a rusty shotgun and a lantern-style flashlight. His motives are unknown, but he does appear to have an interest in taxidermy. The hunter is a stumpy, yet large humanoid that wears a green coat, boots, brown pants, and a Gatsby atop his head. His face is hidden by a sack with a single eye hole enabling him to see. With close inspection, his right arm leaks out a cotton-like substance. Like the other characters of the franchise, the hunter does not talk, and his personality is shown through his actions. He is shown to be possibly unhealthy and is rather aggressive while he performs taxidermy. It is evidence that, when the hunter sets his mind to something, he doesn't back down. As when Mono and Six escape his cabin and evade him several times, he continues to venture deeper into the woods in pursuit of them. It can also be said that the hunter is somewhat of a slob, given the state of his cabin, which is a total mess with the many things lying out and about. The hunter carries a double-barreled shotgun to shoot and a lantern to spot victims. He will run after Mono and Six, but more often the hunter will aim and shoot at them, killing them if they stay out in the open too long. The player can hide behind various objects which will shatter when hit. There will also be times where Mono and Six will have to evade the hunter through time stealth. If Mono gets too close to the hunter, he will bludgeon him in the back of the head with the butt of his shotgun. Well, I finished this figure. As for me, the hunter turned out like a real one. So if you like my stories and works, like me, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so as not to miss the new video.